18650 batteries, each of 2,200 milliamp hours. Make 3 sets by connecting 3 batteries in parallel each. Now connect these 3 sets in series. This is a 12.6 volt 3-cell BMS of current capacity 20 ampere. Connect the 0 volt wire of BMS to the negative of the first 3-cell set. Connect the 4.2 volt wire of BMS to the positive of first 3-cell set. Connect the 8.4 volt wire of BMS to the positive of second 3-cell set. Now, connect the 12.6 volt wire of BMS to the positive of third 3-cell set. BMS connections are completed successfully. Working properly,